What's your favorite color? She likes purple, so we'll do purple. So you guys see that I'm different. And it's all about being different, because I'm here to talk to you guys today about being different. And it's okay to be different. I was in the hospital and I woke up a few days later with my mommy by my side, and the doctor came in and he told me that I was paralyzed, meaning I can't feel my legs anymore. And he said I would never walk again. When I went back to school, I thought my friends was my friends, but my friends didn't want to be my friends anymore, because now I'm different, because I'm in the wheelchair. And you know what my friends did? They called me names, and they said really bad things. And it's not nice to call somebody names, is it? It's not nice to pick on somebody, is it? Is it? Is it? No. Nobody wanted to be my friend. And the doctors didn't believe in me. My family didn't want to be my family, and I got sad. But it's okay, because I'm special. And it took me many years to be able to stand up. But it's okay, because I'm special. You're special. You're amazing. And we're all different, because each and every one of you guys is amazing, special, and beautiful just the way you are. You're amazing and special and beautiful just the way you are. Is she beautiful? Is she beautiful? Is she beautiful? Is he handsome?